Hello monsters, and welcome back to my channel. I am at the start of a work week, and this week I really wanted to focus on meal prep containers. I'm doing a week of rice bowls. So I have here to share with you, to start with, this is the Lunchbox Quad. So this is actually my breakfast snack box. And I have in here a mixture of fruits. So I have some blackberries and a clementine peeled up. I have some salami and some cheese. And then instead of crackers, I went with Teddy Grahams. So I have chocolate chip and chocolate flavored Teddy Grahams here. So that is what I'm going to be eating in the morning and during the day before lunch. For lunchtime itself, I do have my Snapware glass container. So I did grab this out of the fridge. So I just grabbed it out. So it's really cold still. But during the week, I like to meal prep for the week, during the weekend or like whatever days I'm off. I have like a kind of odd schedule, so I don't always have off on the weekends necessarily, but when I do have off and I want to prep for the next couple of days, rice bowls are really easy to do. And this week I decided to start off with green beans and shrimp stir fry over white rice. So that's what this is. It doesn't look super great right now because it's cold, but once I reheat it, it's going to be delicious. So I have that for my lunch, and then I'm just gonna bring a pack of cookies just for dessert for later. I have my thermos of water and then my refillable that I bring throughout the day. That is what I'm bringing to work today. So for work lunch, I'm starting off with a cup of fruit. I have some strawberries and some blackberries already cut up here. This container is made from ball, and it's perfect for yogurt parfaits or any kind of parfaits, but it fits nicely in your cup container in your car. So I kind of like bringing this. Sometimes I just like snack on it while I'm driving to work. So I have that. I'm gonna be bringing also a granola bar with me. And then I have also here some grapefruit. So I'm gonna be eating this for breakfast, snack, whatever it is. And then my meal is actually a little bit on the heavier side, which is why I just went with some fruit. I have here a meal prep container that I already had in the fridge, grabbed it this morning, and then I made some fajita chicken. So I actually used a rotisserie chicken that I bought from the store pre-made. I shredded it, and then I added some peppers and some onions, sauteed it with some taco seasoning, and then I put it over a bed of rice. I added some avocado, or no, sorry, this is cilantro lime crema, which is this one that I used here. And then I'm gonna be bringing a cup of guac with me. These I get from Costco, so they're perfect just to grab, to snack on. I'm gonna be bringing a bag of chips as well. This is from Stasher, so this is like a silicone reusable bag. I love the size of this too, so it holds a nice amount of chips to go with that. So that is what I am gonna be bringing to work. I have here a can of LaCroix today. I also have my regular thermos of water, oops, and then my refillable one as well. Have a monster-free day, guys. See you next time. Bye. Hey guys, so we're at the end of my work week, and this week I really wanted to share some rice bowl meal preps that you guys can maybe make on your own. Today I can't take full credit because I actually did not make this rice bowl, but we're going to start off with what I'm bringing for breakfast first. So I have here my Benko snack cup. This one actually is two levels. There's a compartment here and here and a center ring. So you just open it up like this. In here I have a cup of peanut butter, and I'm going to have some apple slices to go with that. And then on this bottom cup, so it went like this, you got to like flip it over, and then you remove the center ring. And then I have here some wheat thin crackers. Now I'm just going to be honest with you, I haven't used this so much. I did use it one time. I put ranch dressing on this cup parts, and then I put my vegetables here to like dip or whatever, and it did not work very well because it actually did leak out. So this thing is not leak proof, and it will leak out if the like whatever it is like too thin. But putting in kind of dry snacks and stuff actually works really nicely. So I like having that as an option. So that is when I'm starting my day off. Now for the rice bowl part itself, I have, this is another Snapware container. This is my square container. This one came from one of my great friend Naz's mom. She batched up some biryani rice for me. She knows this is like one of my favorite things, and I love when she makes it. It's homemade. So biryani rice with some chicken, some potatoes, and some peas in it is so good. And I love it, and mom just makes a whole bunch for me, so I actually have enough to eat like a couple days worth. So I'll just have it ready to go like in the fridge. She also made some and this is a Snapware container as well, glass container, and this is tzatziki sauce that's also homemade, and it goes together, and it is so wonderful. So I'm so grateful for Naz's mom to make that for me. So that is the, what I'm going to be bringing to work. And then for dessert, I'm just going to bring this chocolate bar. Now I'm not going to eat the whole thing. I'm just going to eat like 1 or 2 squares at most, but I have that, and I can't really I'm just gonna leave it like this. I was gonna break it apart and package it, but it's just too much of a hassle. So I'll just bring that. And then I have my thermos of water and then my refillable that I'm bringing throughout the day. That is what I'm bringing to work today. Comment down below and let me know if you guys like these like themed week lunches. I think meal prep wise, I do prefer rice bowls the most. I mean, sometimes I do pastas and salads and stuff, but rice bowls just heat up like really well, and then all the flavors just meld together really nicely too. It is so easy to just kind of like cook a large pot of rice like in your rice cooker and then just divvy it out into like separate containers and then start adding your toppings and stuff in there. So I have to say that pie is one of my favorites. Let me know what your favorite rice bowl is, if you do have one that you meal prep, and maybe I can try that for one of my weeks. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, as I do try to put out school lunches. School is actually coming to an end soon, so that's really great. And then but if not, I'm gonna definitely continue on with these work lunch ideas as well. You can also follow me at Little Monster Eats on YouTube Shorts, on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monsterific week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.